Hello. Believe it or not, I am not the enemy. I'm an avatar created by Best Global AI. Why do you need secure APIs over single AI apps like me? Traditional standalone AI apps store data and logic in one place. If compromised, everything is at risk. Best Global AI promotes an API-centric approach, layers of security. Instead of a single monolith, you have microservices, identity, conversation, recommendations, each with its own security rules. Every API call is encrypted and monitored. Easier updates. You can update or patch a single service without overhauling the entire application. This ensures continuous improvement without sacrificing stability. Custom access. Different industries demand different security measures. APIs let you add multi-factor authentication or extra encryption where needed, without disturbing other components. The Embellisher Suite for secure EPUB 3 content. Best Global AI's Embellisher Suite provides a secure, page-by-page method of serving digital content. Instead of exposing entire documents, it displays just one page at a time, minimizing potential attack surfaces. You can integrate specialized APIs behind the scenes, identity and greeting. A user profile's API verifies a session token and returns a user's name, so you can display a personal welcome. Activity and analytics. A separate analytics API logs user interactions. Over time, this data helps refine what you offer next. Greeting users by name, identity API basics. To greet returning customers, secure registration. Users register with encrypted credentials. Their passwords are hashed, not stored in plain text. Token-based sessions. When users log in, they receive a time-limited token. Each EPUB 3 page request in Embellisher Suite checks that token with the Identity API. If valid, it displays, "Welcome back, Taylor." Minimal exposure. The front end fetches only essential data, like first name, while all personal info remains securely tucked away on the server. Tracking past behavior. Activity API. Powerful personalization demands memory, dedicated logs, a user activity. API records events, page visits, installed tools, clicked demos, under each user ID. Encryption and scanning. Sensitive logs must be encrypted in transit and at rest. Best Global AI recommends combining anti-spam and antivirus solutions to detect anomalies. Pattern recognition. Logs reveal usage habits. If a user repeatedly explores marketing APIs, you know they're likely to want advanced sales automation next. Predicting future needs. Recommendations. API AI becomes truly valuable when it anticipates user goals. Machine learning models. Train an algorithm on accumulated logs. If 60% of users who install a scheduling tool also install analytics, the model prompts the latter for new scheduling tool adopters. Real-time suggestions. Each page request can include a call to the recommendation engine. The result is dynamic, next-step advice that aligns with the user's known interests. Feedback loop. If a user follows or ignores a suggestion, the model notes that behavior, refining its future predictions. Best Global AI's security measures personalization falls flat without trust. Best Global AI underscores VPN protections. Tools like PureVPN encrypt remote sessions, preventing data theft or eavesdropping. Firewalls and WordFence. For WordPress or similar sites, WordFence scans for malicious activity and blocks unauthorized logins. Custom firewalls protect API endpoints. Transparent testing. Each service undergoes load tests and security audits before deployment. This prevents rolling out unproven features that could jeopardize user trust. Practical steps to build your assistant identity service. Implement a microservice for user registration and secure token creation. Activity API. Log relevant user actions. Keep that data encrypted and scanned. Recommendation engine. Develop or integrate a model that detects usage patterns and recommends next step tools. Embellisher Suite. Each page query checks the user's token, retrieves name and relevant suggestions, then displays them one page at a time. Ongoing maintenance, patch APIs, run antivirus checks, and ensure your system evolves safely with user needs. Advantages of an API-centric design. Shifting away from single AI apps to modular APIs offers scalability. If user load surges, scale just the identity or recommendation service instead of retooling everything. Quick innovation. New features? Simply create or update an API. The rest remains stable. Easier debugging. If errors arise, isolate them in one microservice. The entire system isn't dragged down. Compliance flexibility. Whether you're dealing with healthcare, HIPAA, or finance, you can layer specialized security onto a specific service. From single interactions to true engagement. A user greeted by name feels recognized. When that same user sees suggestions that match past behavior, like a relevant add-on tool or a newly launched product, they feel guided, not sold to. Over time, the combination of personal greetings, consistent memory, and accurate predictions builds a sense of trust. Customers return, confident the platform knows their preferences without exploiting their data. In conclusion, secure personalization builds trust. An AI assistant that greets users by name, recalls their history, and predicts upcoming needs can greatly boost engagement and sales. Yet personalization must never undercut security. By following Best Global AI's approach, shifting to API-driven architectures, using Embellisher Suite for page-by-page content, and layering on protective tools like VPNs and WordFence, you create a future-ready ecosystem. Each user's data remains shielded by dedicated security measures, while the AI gleaning that data delivers genuine value. Ultimately, this is more than a chatbot. It's a digital concierge that evolves with every interaction, smoothly guiding users to the resources and tools they genuinely need. With robust encryption, transparent testing, and strong firewalls in place, you'll honor both your clients' aspirations and their right to safety. When personalization and security work in tandem, your AI assistant becomes the trusted portal through which customers continually engage, learn, and succeed. By merging these best practices with a user-first mindset, you'll forge stronger connections, protect sensitive data, and energize your business's growth with an AI-powered assistant built for tomorrow. We match each of our client members with a full-stack developer to assess your specific needs. If such an AI assistant is in your budget and need, we can help and recommend which component API installations you will need. Just visit our page at bestglobalai.com/services to get an idea about what we can offer you for starters. We'll have an administrator and full-stack developer get in touch with you immediately to plot your next move. Thanks for listening, and welcome of Best Global AI, where we make AI personal.